What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Up Entertainment. So, as you all know, Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi is a man of pure leadership, a true patriot, a man who loves his country and hates crime, corruption, and everything. So, this guy, Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, actually assigned a task team to Sizokuthola team. Sizokuthola is a hard-hitting South African crime-busting TV show on Moja Love, and their focus is on exposing and combating drug dealers, gang activity, and broader criminal elements within the community. So these two guys, Xolani Khumalo and Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, have come together and they are helping, with these investigations and literally fighting crime within the community. So this is actually in huge contrast to this letter that is actually circulating on social media, whereby it said that the Gauteng police denied this is Sizokuthola team to give them a police assistance in their raids. These, are the differences. But Nhlanhla Mkhwana has actually assigned a task team to help Xolani with all his raids. So this is what is happening out there, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.